Hello everyone, welcome back to Savior Sunk. So today's session will be a very important session because today we are going to discuss about the important current affairs of August 2020. So please do like, share and subscribe for getting more updates, and let's get started to our today's session. Question number 1. National Sports Day is celebrated on. National Sport Day is celebrated on. Option number A, 9th August, 6th August. Sorry, this will be 9th August. Okay. 6th August. Number C, 29th August. Number D, 12th August. So here we know that 6th August is celebrated as Hiroshima Day. Hiroshima Day. 9th August is celebrated at Nagasaki Day. Nagasaki Day. And 12th August is celebrated as International Youth Day. International Youth Day. So here the answer will be 29th August. 29th August, National Sports Day. Hockey legend Dhyan Chand's birthday, August 29th, is celebrated as National Sport Day in India. Okay. So next, Tianwen-1 Mars mission is launched by. Number A, UAE means United Arab Emirates. Number B, China. Number C, India, or number D, South Korea. So here the answer will be number B, China. China recently launched this Mars mission Tianwen-1. Okay. Next, number 3, Tianhe-2 is a supercomputer located in. Number A, UAE. Number B, China. C, India. D, South Korea. So here the answer will be number B. In China, Tianhe-2 supercomputer is located in China. Okay. World largest nuclear fusion reactor is located in. You know the nuclear fusion, by this nuclear fission we get power. Okay. So here the answer will be there are 4 options. Number A, Norway. B, France. C, Germany. D, Switzerland. Here the answer will be France. You have to know that the world's largest nuclear fusion reactor is located in France. Next, which country tested Dhruvastra anti-tank missile in 2020? This is Dhruvastra is an anti-tank missile. Anti-tank missile, which is basically is used to destroy a missile. Okay. So here the options are Bangladesh, B, Nepal, C, Pakistan, D, India. Here the answer will be D, India. India recently launched Dhruvastra anti-tank missile in 2020. Okay. So next slide is related to coronavirus or COVID-19. So Covaxin for COVID-19 is introduced by which country? Number A, India. Number B, China. Number C, Russia. Number D, UK. So here the answer will be India. India recently launched Covaxin for COVID-19. You know Russia launched Sputnik V, and UK launched Covishield, and Russia Sputnik V. Okay. Next slide. Number 7. Who won the Hungarian Grand Prix 2020? Option number A, Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes. A, Albon, Red Bull. Number C, Verstappen, Red Bull. Or number D, Vettel, Ferrari. So here the answer will be Lewis Hamilton. Number A will be the correct answer from Mercedes on the Hungarian Grand Prix 2020. Who wrote Amazing Ajodhya? It is basically based on Ajodhya. We have known that recently there is a Ram Mandir will be built in Ajodhya, and this book is also related to Ajodhya. That's why it is an important book. And the options are Arvind Adiga, number B, Avani Doshi, number C, Nina Roy, and number D, Amish Tripathi. So here the answer will be number C, Nina Roy. Nina Roy wrote Amazing Ajodhya. And you have to keep in mind the Amish Tripathi wrote Shiva trilogy. Arvind Adiga wrote White Tiger. Okay, and Avani Doshi wrote Brown Sugar. And number 8's answer will be C, Nina Roy. Okay. So next slide. Number 9. Who wrote Legend of Suheldev? The options are Nina Roy, Ruskin Bond, Amish Tripathi, or number D, Avani Doshi. So here the answer will be number C, Amish Tripathi. You can see that Legend of Suheldev is written by Amish Tripathi, and also Amish Tripathi wrote Shiva trilogy. Okay. So next slide here. Number 10 question is FIFA World Cup 2026 will be held by previous session we have discussed about the FIFA World Cup 2022. You know that 2022 will be in Qatar. 2022 World Cup will be in Qatar, and 2026 World Cup will be held in USA, South Africa. Okay, so here the answer will be USA, Canada, and Mexico. FIFA World Cup 2026 will be held in USA, means United States of America, Canada, and Mexico. Next, in which state of India Kalpakkam nuclear power station is located? Option number A, Andhra Pradesh, number B, Maharashtra, number C, Uttar Pradesh, number D, Tamil Nadu. So here the answer will be Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, the Kalpakkam nuclear station is located. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share to get more updates. Thank you for watching.